Okay, so we're going to verify the identity, which is the same thing as proving an identity. So I'm looking at it and I'm saying, well, which side, do I think is more complicated, I guess. And see how on the right I have a 2 theta, but on the left I only have a theta. So I'm trying to get one side to look like the other. It's going to be easier for me to get rid of that 2 theta than it would be to like get a 2 theta inserted, I guess. Okay, so this is going to be a double angle formula. So we want to use a double angle formula for cosine. So you might have to go back and, find your note page or whatever, your page of trig identities or trig formulas to find it. But cosine 2, I'll just write it as theta because that's what we usually do. Cosine 2 theta, that's the one that had 3 choices. So it's cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. And then they said, hey, wait a minute, we got cosine squared and sine squared, so we could use the Pythagorean theorem to get it in, terms of one variable or the other. So one of the other choices was 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, and the other choice is 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Okay, so you have 3 choices, How do you know which one to use? Okay, look at the left side. You have cosecant. Now, cosecant's the reciprocal of sine. So sines, those are okay. I can work with sines, but I don't really want any cosines. So I'm going to choose this formula right here because it just has sines in it. Okay? And this time, I'm going to be working on the right-hand side. So let me recopy this. I don't want it in green. Okay. Cosecant squared theta minus 2 equals, and then I'm going to replace my numerator like this, right? It's going to go right in there. So 1 minus 2 sine squared theta over sine squared theta. Okay, so this is cool because I only have one term. It's squared, but that's okay. I have one term in the denominator. I don't have any adding or subtracting in the denominator. So I can split up my subtraction and make it 1 sine squared theta minus sine squared theta over sine squared theta. Well, that looks pretty cool. So I'm getting, a form here like I want on the left. I have a trig function minus 2, right? Okay. So my 1 over secant squared, that's going to be cosecant squared. And then I have minus, and then this is just 1. Oh, did I leave out a 2? I did. I see it right there. I left that 2 out for some reason. There we go. Well, that's good because I needed a 2, right? That's how I knew I made a mistake. Okay, so these cancel. So, all right. Yay, we did it. It's not all in the same color. There. Okay. Very good.